Hello students, our next topic is hind brain. So let's go to the structure. So hind brain, it is divided into three parts, that is cerebellum, okay, which helps in posture maintaining for balancing. Then it is pons and next is medulla. Pons helps in coordination between forebrain and cerebellum, and medulla, you can say it is little bit triangular in shape, hollow, and cavity is fourth ventricle. Okay, it control heartbeat. It is a respiratory center. So hindbrain, it is divided into three parts. Let's discuss. Cerebellum, medulla oblongata. So cerebellum is also known as mesencephalon. 11% of total weight. Helps in posture maintaining. Posture so person those who do swimming, so their cerebellum is very strong, and in fish and in birds they need a balance now. So therefore in birds or in fish they have to support their body, balancing is required, therefore their cerebellum part is very strong. Next is pons varolii. It is an oval pear structure. Oval pear structure. And what is the function? It helps in coordination between forebrain and cerebellum. Forebrain हम लोग ने पढ़ लिया है, and cerebellum we have studied. So helps in coordination between forebrain and cerebellum, and it control also involuntary involuntary organs, and it contains pneumotaxic center. Pneumotaxic center contain pneumotaxic मतलब it controls rate and pattern of breathing. It control rate and pattern of breathing. So पॉन्स बड़ा ओवल पे स्ट्रक्चर कोऑर्डिनेशन में हेल्प करते, फोरब्रेसर में एंड कंट्रोल इनवॉलेंट्री मसल्स एंड कंट्रोल इनवॉलेंट्री फंक्शन राइट ऑन हियर्स. Pneumotaxic center control rate and pattern of breathing. Next is medulla. So medulla, it is triangular in shape. Hollow, and the cavity is fourth ventricle. It is hollow. Cavity is fourth ventricle. और फोर्थ वेंट्रिकल को क्या बोला जाता है, उसका भी कोई पर्टिकुलर नेम होगा. द फोर्थ वेंट्रिकल इज कॉल्ड माइलोसील. एंड फोर्थ वेंट्रिकल को क्या बोलते हैं? फोर्थ वेंट्रिकल इज नोन एज okay, it is its function is control heartbeat. Function is control heartbeat. It is a respiratory center, and controls peristaltic movement. Peristaltic में relaxation of circular smooth muscles. It means relaxation of circular smooth muscles. Okay, peristalsis movement, control peristalsis movements, relaxation of circular smooth muscles, and it is also a also controls vasomotor activity. Vasomotor means regulates BP and homeostatic process. Let me write. Vasomotor means regulates and non-vital center. It is also a non-vital center. Non-vital center means coughing, sneezing, vomiting, yawning, coughing and sneezing, vomiting, yawning. Okay, it is a, you can write non-vital center, reflexic center. Reflex center. So pyramids are found. Pyramids are also found means nerves from body to central nervous system. So hindbrain is divided into three: cerebellum, pons, and medulla oblongata. Pons were involuntary function. Medulla, I have told you, non-vital centers, control vasomotor activity. It is a peristalsis movement, control peristalsis movement. Cerebellum helps in posture maintain. So this is all about the hind brain.